global tensions continue to shape the political landscape of our time. Welcome to Shahjee Ki Batein, a platform for thoughtful conversations on society, governance, and the ideas shaping our world. In today's program, we examine rising tensions in the Middle East, the strategic implications of the confrontation involving the United States, Israel, and Iran, and the growing concerns about political developments in Pakistan. Middle East situation. The Middle East once again finds itself at the center of global attention. Tensions between Israel and Iran, along with the involvement of the United States, have raised serious concerns about the possibility of a wider regional conflict. Military operations, missile exchanges, and rising rhetoric have created an atmosphere of uncertainty across the region. Analysts warn that even limited military actions could escalate into a broader confrontation, drawing in multiple actors and affecting global stability. One of the key concerns is the potential impact on international trade and energy markets. The Strait of Hormuz, through which a large portion of the world's oil supply passes, remains a sensitive strategic corridor. Any disruption there could affect global energy prices and economic stability far beyond the region. Diplomatic voices around the world continue to call for restraint and dialogue, emphasizing that prolonged conflict would have consequences not only for the Middle East, but for global security as a whole. Pakistan and Afghanistan tensions. Meanwhile, in South Asia, tensions between Pakistan and Afghanistan have also drawn attention. Border security incidents and growing mistrust between the two neighboring countries have created concerns about stability along the frontier. The Pakistan-Afghanistan border has historically been a sensitive area, and any escalation in military or security operations carries the risk of further destabilizing an already complex regional situation. Observers believe that diplomatic engagement and careful political dialogue remain essential to prevent further deterioration in relations. Political developments in Pakistan. Inside Pakistan, the political environment remains deeply polarized. Former Prime Minister Imran Khan, one of the country's most prominent political leaders, remains in prison while facing several legal cases. According to reports from his supporters and political party, concerns have been raised about his health condition, particularly regarding problems with his eyesight. It has been reported that surgery was performed on his right eye, but that the condition has not shown significant improvement. Supporters also claim that although court rulings allowed family visits once a week, meetings with family members and personal doctors have reportedly not taken place for more than 2 months. His wife, Bushra Bibi, who is also currently in custody in a separate case, is reportedly facing similar restrictions regarding family access. Government authorities maintain that all legal procedures and detention conditions are being handled according to the country's judicial system. Nevertheless, these developments continue to fuel political debate inside Pakistan and among observers abroad. From the Middle East to South Asia, the world today faces a complex web of political tensions, security challenges, and competing narratives. Understanding these developments requires careful reflection, balanced discussion, and responsible dialogue. That is precisely the purpose of this platform. Thank you for watching Shahjee Ki Batein. Stay informed, stay thoughtful. Until next time.